Hey there, data enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a fundamental concept that every budding data scientist needs to grasp: the difference between a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. Stick around and you'll get it all in just 3 minutes. All right, let's kick things off with the null hypothesis. Imagine you're a detective and you have a case to solve. The null hypothesis is like your default assumption, the status quo, the nothing to see here stance. In other words, it's the hypothesis that there is no effect or no difference. It's often denoted as H0 or H0. For example, say you're testing a new drug to see if it lowers blood pressure. The null hypothesis would state that the drug has no effect on blood pressure. Basically, it's the skeptic's viewpoint. Now let's flip the script and talk about the alternative hypothesis. This is the exciting part. The alternative hypothesis is the claim you're trying to prove. It suggests that there is an effect or a difference exists. Think of it as the plot twist in a mystery novel. It's often represented as H1 or HA. Continuing with our drug example, the alternative hypothesis would state that the new drug does indeed lower blood pressure. It's the hypothesis that challenges the status quo and seeks to bring new insights to light. All right, let's break it down even further. Think about a courtroom. The null hypothesis is like the defendant's claim of innocence. The alternative hypothesis is the prosecutor's claim that the defendant is guilty. The trial is the data you collect, and the jury's verdict is your statistical test results. You start with the assumption of innocence, or the null hypothesis, and only if there's enough evidence you reject it in favor of the alternative hypothesis. This is where p-values come into play, but that's a topic for another video. So why is this distinction important? Well, understanding these hypotheses helps in designing experiments, analyzing data, and making informed decisions. It's the foundation of statistical testing, which is crucial in fields ranging from medicine to marketing. Remember, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis are two sides of the same coin. You need both to conduct a robust analysis. The null sets the stage, and the alternative brings the drama. And there you have it. In just 3 minutes, you've learned the basics of null and alternative hypotheses. Whether you're crunching numbers for a research project or just curious about data science, this knowledge is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more data science tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Core Strike.